Hello and welcome to the U.S. Inland Navigation Rule video for Rule 22. Rule 22 covers the distance, the visibility of the lights, so the range that the lights need to be seen on a vessel, and this is all based on vessel sizes. Now this is a really short rule, but it's very detailed because based on the size of the vessels, the lights have different requirements in range and miles that the lights have to be seen. So it's a lot of information that you need to remember for your final exam, but don't worry, I'm going to create these diagrams for you that you could screenshot or take a picture of to help you in your studies. Let's jump right in. Rule 22 states that the lights prescribed in these rules shall have an intensity as specified in Annex 1 to these rules, so as to be visible at the following minimum ranges. Rule 22A, in a vessel of 50 meters or more in length, a masthead light needs to be visible for 6 miles. Side lights need to be visible for 3 miles. A stern light needs to be visible for 3 miles. A towing light needs to be visible for 3 miles. A white, red, green, or yellow all-round light needs to be visible for 3 miles. And a special flashing light needs to be visible for 2 miles. I'm going to go ahead and pause and give you a second to screenshot or take a picture of this for your notes. Rule 22B, in a vessel of 12 meters or more in length, but less than 50 meters in length, a masthead light needs to be visible for 5 miles, except that where the length of the vessel is less than 20 meters, then it needs to have a visibility of 3 miles. Side lights need to have a visibility of 2 miles. A stern light, a visibility of 2 miles. A towing light, a visibility of 2 miles. A white, red, green, or yellow all-round light, 2 miles. And a special flashing light, 2 miles. Now again, I'm gonna go ahead and pause and give you a second to go ahead and screenshot or take a picture of this for your notes. Rule 22C, in a vessel of less than 12 meters in length, a masthead light needs to have a visibility of 2 miles, a side light 1 mile, a stern light 2 miles, a towing light 2 miles, a white, red, green, or yellow all-round light 2 miles, and a special flashing light 2 miles. Again, I'm going to go ahead and give you a second to go ahead and screenshot or take a picture of this for your notes. Rule 22D, in an inconspicuous, partly submerged vessel or object being towed, a white all-round light, 3 miles. Now I'm going to go ahead again and give you a second to go ahead and take a picture or screenshot this for your notes. All right, now I know that was a lot of information in a really short amount of time, and it can be very confusing, but trust me, if you study these and practice it, you'll memorize it, you're going to learn it, and you'll be ready for your final exam. Now, if you haven't done so already, go back and take the screenshots of each one so you can use them for your studies. Maybe you could give them to somebody and they could quiz you on it so you fully understand them. And when you're ready, I'll be waiting for you in the next lesson.